Miss Larson here. Sorry about this, but I tried recording our lesson when we had it in class, and we had a wonderful video, and the program I was using, the video disappeared. So here I am recording our lesson for today. So today we're going to be doing numbers from 11 to 19. So we're going to start in chapter 5. Now before you open up your math book, I want to do a little counting. So I have all these popsicle sticks here. So I'm going to need some help counting them. And we're going to end up grouping them to make it a little bit easier for us to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're welcome to count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I still have some left, but I'm going to take these 10 and I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to group them together. So I know I have the group of 10 right here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 popsicle sticks. So I have a group of 10 and 9 more. That is the same as 19. So that's what we're going to be exploring more today. So what I need you to get is I need you to get your math book. So it's going to look like this, the My Math. I need you to get this out, and I'm going to need you to please get 20 connecting cubes. Okay, so you're going to need 20 of these. So if you need to pause the video so that you can get your materials. You will need a pencil, but not yet. Okay. All right. If you are playing, that means that you have your math book ready and you've got your number cubes. So now I need you to open up your math book and find page 347. That's 3, 4, 7. And it's going to look just like this. You'll find both of these pages in your math book. If you need some help from a parent or teacher, then you can ask for some help. But I bet if you look, you might have some luck finding it. So I just found mine real quick, right in the middle of the book. Page 347. Okay? All right. Pause me if you need a little bit more time to find this page. All right, so I'm going to go over to our smartboard, and these boxes right here, this is called a 10 frame because if you fill up all the boxes, it equals 10. So we know that this is going to be 10 and then this one's going to be 10 if we fill up all the boxes. So the first thing I need you to do is I need you to take your connecting cubes and I need you to put one in each box, but only on the top box. So you should use 10 connecting cubes and put one in each. So I'm going to draw my connecting cubes in mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, once you have those 10, I want you to place 4 more. So 10 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you're going to do 10 and 4 more. So that's going to be 14. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. Okay, we're going to turn our page. Okay, so we're going to go over to this page. It should look just like yours, but you might be able to read those words much better than you can on my board. Okay, numbers from 11 to 19 can be made with one group of 10 and some more. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the box. Are all of those stars filled in? They are. So that means it's a group of 10. So I'm going to circle it. Okay, then I need to count how many more. 1, 2, 3. So I have 10 and 3 more. So what's my total? 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay, we're going to go to the next star. Is that box all filled in? It sure is, so that means it's a group of 10. So we're going to circle it. Then we're going to count how many more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 and 5 more. So I'm going to take the 1, and I'm going to draw 1. And I'm going to take the 5 in the 1's place, and I'm going to draw 5. So there's 15. Awesome. Okay, let's do it again. All right, here I have all of my circles, so I know that this is a group of 10. So I'm going to circle it, and then I'm going to count how many more. 1, 2. So I have 10 and 2 more, and that's going to be 12. 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's practice some more. Here's a group of 10. We're going to circle it, then count how many more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4 more. So that's going to be 1, 4, which is 14. Awesome. We are cruising through this. Okay, let's go to the next side. This one says, on my own. So I'm going to do only a couple of them to make sure that it's really in your brain. So, is this one a box that's all filled in? No, it's not, so we can't circle it. It's not a group of 10. Is this the one that's filled in? It's a group of 10, so we're going to circle it. Then we're going to count how many more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7 more. I'm going to take the 1 from the 10 and the 7 for more, so 17. Okay, the next one. Circle your group of 10. Count how many more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 and 6 more. So that's going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6. So I take the 1 from my 10, and then the 6 goes in the 1's place. Okay. All right. Let's see what page we're going to do next. I guess I should say, let me show you what page you're going to do next, not let's see, because I know what you're going to do next. You're going to work on the My Homework page. We're not going to do this side today. We'll worry about that another day. So you're going to work on the My Homework page. That means that you're going to try and do this all by yourself. Ms. Larson wants to see what knowledge you know, because we just learned about how to do this. So now I want you to show me what you can do. So the directions say, circle the group of 10. Write how many more. Then write the number. So you're going to do the same thing that we were just doing on the other pages. Then, so you're going to do this side, so that's problem 1 and problem 2. Then you're going to turn it over. See, it still has this yellow line. That means it's still the homework page. You're going to do these problems. And then you might have to ask for some help on the last one because it's got a lot of words in it. But if you have some help reading it, I know you'll be able to solve it. All right, so just as a review, you are going to do page 351 and 352 all by yourself. So that is this one and this one. And that's to show Ms. Larson what you know how to do, all right? If you need any help, you can definitely ask for help. Just try your best. I am so excited. Thank you guys for joining me for this math lesson. Bye.